Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable HD audio for your headphones Philips. So to enable or disable this mod we need to enter into developer options. If you don't know how to enable it on your phone, at this channel we have a video just for your device, so you can find it. After you enable it, we need to go to the settings, then system, so scroll down, system, and right here we have developer options. Tap at this line, then you need to scroll down and find HD audio, but also you can use a search and you can write HD right here. Here is HD audio, what located in the developer options. You can tap at this line and or as I said, just scroll down. So right here we have it. To disable it, you need to tap one time at the slider near to it if the slider have colorful background. Once you disable HD audio, you will use now SBC Bluetooth audio codec. To enable HD audio, you need to tap one time at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background, and after that you can now swap between Bluetooth audio codec. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!